Okay, now that we have acquired a signal, there's an indication on our screen. Let's follow the steps to size this indication. The indication that we're looking on our block is this one that you see between my fingers from here to here. So I have measured that with the instrument before, and I've come to a 45 millimeter length. Now I'm going to input that, and then it's going to give me a depth measurement based on the signal. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do, I have the sidebar selected. I'm going to go to the measurement icon. I'm going to select it, press it again. The defects menu is selected on the side. So the first thing I need to do is I need to tell it to add a defect. So I press on the side, add a defect, and I'm going to start sizing it. Again, I need to place my cursors. I press up to separate the cursors, and we place them just around the baseline signal here. Once I have done that, I press the center button, the OK, and the instrument will lock on the trough and peak on the BZ and the BX and get the relationship. Now, what I need to do is I need to select my Bravo Z length, and that's where we input the length that I measured previously. So start moving up. So it measured it with the ACFMT technique at 50 millimeters in length, because it might have a little bit underneath the surface, and 6 millimeters depth. Once I'm done with that, I'm happy with it. I press OK, go back, and my defect is there with the length and the depth, and it's marked over here as defect number 1. Thank you for watching.